episode, we're going to show you how to swap out a faucet. First things first, you got to clean up the sink area and do the dishes. Nick! In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a cracked tile in your shower. Hi, Long Island IKEA. Happy Kitchen Week. These guys can go right onto the shelf. So now you have the shelf, and now you have space below the shelf. I'm sorry, that's like instant real estate. This is the last prize that I'm gonna give away for answering the correct question. Where on earth can you go for the best organizing products for your kitchen? Oh, winner, I felt your hand first. Yeah, you got it. Sarah here, your small space specialist. IKEA's firm wine rack isn't only for housing life's most precious of liquids, but also think of it as creative wall storage for towels, magazines, or kids' shoes. Flort is an amazing set of pockets perfect for your remote controls or knitting projects. But take it to your car and put it under the car seat, stash crayons, snacks, and other little guy goodies. I love wall organizers. It's a great way to maximize height, easily access your utensils, spices, and oils, or take it to your classroom and organize your arts and crafts. These guys, not just for shoes anymore. Store your cleaning products, organize your kids' rooms, or take it outside and start an herb garden.
So we have 4 days for the master bedroom challenge. I feel like I don't have time to get organized, but I know that if I get organized, I will save on time.
There you go.
The best part about the master bedroom is the golf. She's gorgeous.
This is why you're here.
I really want to bring in a very classic element to the space and add some beautiful crown molding.
I'm just curious, how in the heck did you pull all this off? What was your budget going into this?
We had $1,796 going into this.
And what did you guys spend?
$835.
What?
You did all this in 2 days. They're crying. I have goosebumps.
I'm super excited about this office den space because as a New Yorker, as a professional organizer, I'm always looking for creative ways to make small spaces multifunctional, especially on a tight budget.
We're not only going to have a sleeping space over here, we're going to have an area for entertainment, and this is where you're going to work.
We're going to use a sleeper sofa for extra guests and keeping one closet for extra storage and knocking out the other one to add a desk.
Welcome. Our multifunctional space has 3 different functions. This pulls out into a bed, so it could sleep 2 people. We also have the desk area over here. And then, of course, we have a little entertainment space, watch TV.
You guys knocked it out of the park.
Hi, I'm Sarah Russo's Karakaian, your small space specialist, proving to you that home really is what you make it. Today we're in Manhattan's Washington Heights, one stop away from the George Washington Bridge, a neighborhood that is growing fast because of the affordable housing. Today we have Chris and Catherine, who took on a 1-bedroom renovation to create 2 bedrooms to accommodate their growing family. So some of the things that stick out to me that help small spaces, which you already know, are the light-colored cabinets, the tall ceilings, which you've maximized. It's open concept, but you still get the feeling of this is my kitchen, and this is the dining room, and there's the living room, but we're all still having one big conversation. Yeah. Wow, Nikki and Jeff's apartment is gorgeous, and they've really thought of everything. They had 2 big challenges with the master bedroom and the guest bedroom, but they met those challenges head on with custom furniture, a light and airy paint scheme, and an innovative design plan. They weren't afraid to take their small spaces and dream big.
And now, with a sneak peek into the latest episode of Stand Out, Growing Your Organizing and Productivity Business, is your host, Sarah Karakaian.
Hello, welcome to Stand Out, the podcast all about growing your organizing and productivity business. Well, that wraps up this episode of the Stand Out podcast. My name is Sarah Karakaian, and I'll talk to you next time.